What's up, world? I was out and about and I saw the sign for a Church's chicken sandwich. So my curiosity was piqued and I decided to stop and give one a try. This is the spicy one. I'm gonna, of course, you know how to do. First thing that come to my mind when I try it. Okay. Okay. Looks okay, I guess. Let me give it a try. It kind of tastes like mm, the Popeyes original has. It kind of tastes like that. The kick had a little. It was a little. I was about to say it didn't have any kick to it for a spicy sandwich, and then the spice kind of kicked in for a few seconds. First impressions, it's good. Just being honest, it's not Popeyes. Just going off first impression, it's not really like Popeyes as far as flavor. It's good, but I don't know if I would go out of the way to try it again. Just me being honest. So yeah, that's my review for this chicken sandwich. Until next time.